In this video, I'll show you how my automated trading journal tracks every live trade for me, completely hands-free. No more manual screenshots, no more typing trades into Excel. It's all done automatically in the background. Here on my screen, you can see the EA attached to this chart. I'm trading normally. I don't have to click anything special for the journal to work. As long as the EA is running, it's watching my account and quietly logging every closed trade in the background. The EA will automatically detect it and save all the details to the journal file. Now let's analyze that trade using Trade Journal Pro Analyzer. First, I open Trade Journal Pro Analyzer. Then, I select the CSV file that the EA has been generating from my trades. Next, I choose where I want to save the XLSX file. After that, I simply click Generate. The analyzer reads the CSV file, processes all the trades, and automatically creates a complete XLSX trading journal for me. Now, I can open that XLSX file and see my journal in Excel. Because every trade is stored like this, I can later plug the data into my analyzer and instantly see my performance, win rate, average R, best and worst pairs, time of day performance, and so on. Here, you can see it's showing how many pips I got in each trade. You can see all of your trades in detail: entry price, exit price, lot size, result, and more. Here is my last trade entry screenshot. And this is the exit screenshot. The tool takes these screenshots automatically, so you always have a visual record of exactly where you entered and where you closed the trade. The important thing is, I don't have to remember anything. I just trade, and the journal takes care of the rest. So that's a quick look at how my automated trading journal works with a live trade. If you want to save time, stay consistent, and actually understand your trading performance, an automatic journal like this is a game changer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want to see a full breakdown of the analyzer and stats. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.